Welcome to Chem Bonding. This is first video of some basic concept of chemistry. What is chemistry? It is a branch of science that studies the composition, properties and interaction of matter. Now let's see the importance of chemistry. Chemistry plays an important role in meeting human needs for food, healthcare products and other materials aimed at improving the quality of life. Nature of matter. What is matter? Anything which has mass and occupies space is called matter. Matter can exist in three physical states, that is solid, liquid and gas. In solid, these particles are held very close to each other in an orderly fashion and there is not much freedom of movement. Whereas in liquid, the particles are close to each other but they can move around. However, in gases, the particles are far apart as compared to those present in solid or liquid state and their movement is easy and fast. Because of such arrangement of particles, different state of matter exhibit the following characteristic. Solid have definite volume and definite shape. Liquid has definite volume but not the definite shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are placed. Gases have neither definite volume nor definite shape. They completely occupy the container in which they are placed. These three states of matter are interconvertible by changing the condition of temperature and pressure. On heating, solid usually changes to a liquid and liquid on further heating changes to a gaseous or vapor state. In the reverse process, a gas on cooling liquefies to liquid and the liquid on further cooling freezes to the solid. At the macroscopic or bulk level, matter can be classified as mixture or pure substances. A mixture contains two or more substances present in it, which are called its component. Mixture are divided into two types, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. In a homogeneous mixture, the component completely mix with each other and its composition is uniform throughout. For example, sugar solution. Whereas in heterogeneous mixture, the composition is not uniform throughout, and example, the mixture of salt and sugar. Now coming to pure substances. Pure substances can be further classified into elements and compounds. An element consists of only one type of particle. This particle may be atoms or molecule. When two or more atoms of different element combine, the molecule of compound is obtained. The example of compound are water, ammonia. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.